Deer vlog, day 3. We're back out in the blind. Not an ideal setup. We got the sun in our face, but I'm only going to sit here for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to pack up the blind and move off to where I was last night, where I had the buck come in. We do have a doe out in the field, though, about 200 yards working our way, but no buck with her, so I don't think she'll come through here. She'll probably stick to the other side of the wood line. But we're back at it for another try, so we'll see what comes by here in the first hour and a half. Let the sun get up. We'll back up and move to a spot into the woods where they move during daylight hours. Got a little 2.5-year-old buck up here. Walking the path up there. We got 2 does coming in. I don't know if they see the decoy yet, but I'm guessing they'll spook just like the last one did as soon as it saw the decoy. But I'll try and get a little bit of film of them coming in. I don't know. Doesn't look like a buck behind him. It's just a doe and a fawn. Coming in pretty quick though. Well, that was over quick. In case you were wondering, decoys and blinds don't work on public land. Unless your goal is to scare them to somebody else, then they work amazing. Alright, well, I'm only going to waste another 45 minutes to an hour here, because now the sun's up and it's kind of shining on the blind, so I'm going to pack up and head over to my spot in the valley. So this is the blind setup. I see those black holes and it's over. I just don't like that. So I'm going to pack up and get out of here. Saw the buck last night, or I saw the buck was on the other side of the valley over there under the oak trees, but it's still a south wind, which blows my scent right across the trail, so I really don't like setting up over there. So instead, set up on the opposite side over here on the north side of the valley, and set up on a pretty good trail where I heard a bunch of crunching last night right at last light. So there's a lot of sign over here, so I'll sit here for a while at least and see if there's anything moving. Shoot. Had no idea he was there. Oh, man. Oh, I completely blew it. Just had a 10-point walk right into my grunt call. I didn't see him. I didn't hear him until he was 15 yards looking right at me. He walked right in on the grass. He walked right in on that wet grass. You can't hear a thing that direction. I looked up and he's staring right at me. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. That was my chance right there. I would have been able to shoot him at 5 yards if he would have kept coming. Okay, well, that's why they call it hunting. Sad. Oh man, well, as painful as it is to blow such an easy opportunity like that, it still is fun. I'll show you my setup real quick here. So behind me, I set up that trio of trees right there, and I'm planning to shoot right in between that biggest gap. The buck came right here on the other side of this stuff. He was 18 yards, and he would have walked right here, this trail, 6 yards from where I was sitting. So the trail goes right here. Let's see if you can see it. It goes right up the hill right here. So, oh man, all I had to do was see him first, and it was a done deal. The wind was good. He would have passed by at 6 yards. Hunting from the ground is so much more fun than a tree stand, though. You get a lot more of these close-up and personal encounters. You can stay mobile and play the wind and set up on fresh signs. It's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna sit down, eat a snack, maybe change locations again. We'll see. Pretty nice setup right here. Other than the sun's beating down on us. Usually I like to set up in the shadows, but that's okay. Do you set up in the shadow side of that, or do you use the trees for cover and stand on the back side? It's like, I don't know. I think if I kneel down, I have good enough cover that I don't have to stay in the shadows on that one. But I don't know. It's snack time. Let's go. Oh man, is there anything better in the woods than a nice smashed up peanut butter and jelly sandwich? I don't think there is such a thing. So good. Well, deer movement has slowed down a bit. I haven't seen anything since that buck had something wheezing up the hill a little bit. I don't know if it was at me or other hunters walking around, but we'll continue to be patient and see what happens. Alright, we're back with the day 3 vlog. It's the evening now. We're at a totally different spot, up in a tree stand. I got my main man with me. Hey Landon, say hi. Wow. Deer vlog 2021. Got a double stand set up here. We're hoping to see something. Landon's second time up in the tree stand, I think, and the first time we didn't see any deer, so hopefully this luck changes things. We have a lot of fresh sign around, so I think the chances are pretty good we might see something tonight. Super warm, it's like 67 degrees, so catch you as soon as we see something. Little buck, see him? See him? There he is. He's up the hill. Man, he was so sneaky. All I heard was a stick snap. Just a little forky. That was cool. What'd you think of that? Is that pretty cool? Smoked elk jerky.